The difference between a vacuum and a plenum is the difference between positive and negative pressure. An example of a plenum is the positively pressured air-filled space under the bottom of a hovercraft, and also superchargers, and bagpipes too. The difference between distress and eustress is that eustress is perceived as a beneficial stress, and distress is a negative stress. Eustress is like the stress you feel when doing a challenging yet attainable or worthwhile endeavor, and it pushes you to feel a sense of achievement, growth, or mastery. Distress, on the other hand, happens as a response to loss, threats, or overwhelming demands, and it can have a negative impact on both your physical and mental health. I think of the difference between accidental and incidental as a difference of intentionality. Accidentally implies something that was done unintentionally or happened by chance, but incidentally implies a secondary thing that happened in the course of doing something else intentionally. So for example, in the video this comment is from, I said that Donald Curry incidentally killed the world's oldest known ever-living tree, because he intentionally drilled the borehole to age it and knew that it might end the life of the tree. But he didn't know it was the oldest tree ever dated until he had actually killed it. But I wouldn't call it an accident because it was a consequence of an intentional action. Deodorant doesn't affect how much you sweat, it just covers up the smell. And antiperspirants actually stop you from sweating, typically by blocking sweat glands. The difference between thrift stores and consignment stores is that consignment stores sell things on behalf of owners who retain ownership until the item is sold. And then after the item is sold, they pay the owner a percent of the purchase price. Thrift stores, on the other hand, sell donated items or pay small amounts for their items before they sell it.